Hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon. Remus Adventure here. Just arrived in Postdam. This is my train. Just leaving. And I will do a little walk. I have my umbrella with me because this is the train station. That's very straightforward. One direction Berlin. And Frankfurt. Other direction is Magdeburg. I haven't been in Potsdam for maybe a year. I mean, I just did a stop by when I arrived in back from Canada. You can use the train. It's coming right now. It's 5 minutes, 10 minutes to downtown. Cost you around €1.70. But I do a little walk. Weather's still fine. It's pretty windy. That's the train 96 I could take. Postdam is it's a different, I call it a different province. You can see the flag. It's called Brandenburg. Can take little boat tours. It's a pretty big castanian tree, like right there. You can, take a boat, explore the city. Here we turn right. we're passing by the apartment where the German Chancellor lives, Mr. Scholz. He lives right here. Yeah, see, big tree, big beast. This is Peter Pan. It's you can buy a burger here. Pretty expensive. Oh, see, they're doing even deliveries now on their bike. Here's tourist information. You know. See what they have here for sale. A couple coins. Yeah, and somewhere up here is the German Chancellor living. It's all hidden, so I would say up here with the yellow doors, second or third level. Oh, I think some people know already this place. I did filmed it for a while. I have to hurry up a little bit. It's a little raining soon. Oh, but that's a little view. This is one more museum, the Postdam Museum. I will see they're building new apartments, condos. It's still ongoing. We walk this way and then we're passing by my old branch from the Sparkasse. Not many tourists here.